Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to add a link to the site in TikTok on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, you will need to go to TikTok. After that, we're going to select our profile. Then we're going to click on Edit Profile. And then we're going to select Website. Now we need to insert any website here, any link. So let's say google.com as an example, and show you that this link actually works. We've written it. Click Save. Now exit. And as you can see, this link appears here. Now we can click on it, and it automatically goes to Google. You can also if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. This website link works when you have 1,000 subscribers. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you can just click on Bio, and in Bio you can leave any link you want. But unfortunately, it won't work. That's how easy it is to add any link to a site in TikTok. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.